Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Brandon and I'm a financial advisor with years of experience helping individuals and businesses like you manage their finances. Today, I'll be discussing a topic that can save you a lot of money when it comes to filing your taxes in Canada. So let's dive in and explore some of the most commonly missed tax deductions in Canada. First off, moving expenses. If you've moved for work or school, you may be able to claim moving expenses on your tax return. This includes things like transportation costs, temporary living expenses, and even the cost of selling your old home. Make sure to keep all receipts and documentation for these expenses, as they may be required to support your claim. Medical expenses. Many people don't realize that medical expenses can also be claimed as tax deductions in Canada. This includes things like prescription medication, medical devices, travel expenses related to medical treatment. Now, keep in mind, if you're already getting this reimbursed by your employer, you're not going to be able to then claim it as a deduction on your tax return. Additionally, not all medical expenses are eligible for a deduction, so it's important to check the Canada Revenue Agency website to determine what qualifies. Charitable donations. If you've made a charitable donation throughout the year, you may be able to claim them as a tax deduction. This includes cash donations over $20, as well as donations of property, like clothing or furniture. Be sure to keep receipts and documentation for these donations, as they will be required to support your claim. Home office expenses. With more people working from home since the pandemic, home office expenses have become more relevant than ever before. If you have a dedicated workspace in your home that you use for work purposes, you can claim home office expenses on your tax return. This includes things like rent, utilities, and even office supplies. Childcare expenses. If you have children under the age of 16, you may be able to claim childcare expenses as a tax deduction. This includes things like daycare costs, before and after school care, and even summer camps. Professional dues. If you're a member of a professional association, you may be able to claim the cost of your membership dues as a tax deduction. This includes things like membership fees for the Canadian Bar Association, the Canadian Medical Association, and many others. So there you have it, some of the most commonly missed tax deductions in Canada. By taking advantage of these deductions, you can potentially save yourself thousands of dollars when it comes time to file your taxes. Keep in mind that many other tax deductions may apply to your specific situation, so it's important to do your own research and seek advice from a qualified advisor and accountant. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips.